obviously knew.
Okay.
Francella Perryman believes in the church's calling to meet the needs of the community. She's especially passionate about kids and practices what she preaches as outreach director for Mount Pisgah United Methodist Church in the Atlanta suburb of Johns Creek.
Jesus did not just sit in the pews. He was out in the community. And so if we are to seriously be a light to the world, you have got to get out into the community and support these children.
So when the Fulton County Public Schools asked for help from the faith community, Perryman immediately reached out to Hillside Elementary School, where many low-income students attend.
I just went to the principal and talked to her and found out what her needs were and our need to be a light.
Dr. Robert Avosa is superintendent of Fulton County Public Schools.
Well, with the school system of nearly 100,000 students and almost half of which live at or below the poverty level, it was clear early on that no matter how many resources we had, we weren't going to be able to reach every one of our children.
More than 100 houses of worship, including churches, synagogues, and others, have offered services ranging from feeding programs to after-school athletic camps.
As I began to talk with community members, it became very clear that there were a lot of people in the community, in our faith community in particular, that were interested in helping.
He knew going from talking about the plan to making it happen would be an uphill battle.
We had some folks in the media here in Atlanta questioning whether or not I was bringing in churches to change the way people believed. But you know, we were careful about that. We brought in an attorney to share early on with our faith community the importance of working with schools, that this is a place for volunteerism, a place for people to help.
Perryman says the goal is demonstrating that help in tangible ways.
We're not so much focused on only having them attend our church. It's, again, being a partner with them and allowing them to see the light of Christ and supporting the schools.
Students here at Hillside Elementary are reaping tremendous benefits from the partnership between the Fulton County Public School District and the faith community. Volunteers from Mount Pisgah provide tutoring and mentoring programs during lunchtime. And the church recently hosted a back-to-school event, providing backpacks and free school supplies. Hillside Principal Dr. Maisha Adway believes partnering with churches and other groups simply makes sense.
I think the biggest walk away is that our schools are supported and don't always have to be supported by us. They're community, faith-based organizations that get a benefit from religious benefit from supporting us. So why do we need to not tap into that resource?
The church also provides shuttle service to the school for parents interested in attending parent conferences but have no transportation. As a result, attendance has increased dramatically.
These parents want to be involved, and if transportation was an obstacle, that's the least that we could do, is to allow them to utilize our vehicles.
Dr. Adway says the help makes her job easier.
I can't do everything, and I can't provide everything for my kiddos. It doesn't have to be grandiose. It just has to be sustainable, and that's what Mount Pisgah has provided for me, and it's just a simple thing.
We talk about our plans for the next year. We've been extremely successful and extremely blessed in our partnership with the school.
Blessings that extend to all involved.
The better prepared kids are to be self-sufficient and to contribute to the community, the healthier the community. And at the end of the day, I think, you know, it's a great place to focus. It's a win-win for everybody.
Charlene Aaron, CBN News, Roswell, Georgia.